Right, hello. We're at the point of the breakdown, of the lockdown. Same thing. Where we're struggling for things to do. So now we're going to do Tom visits his apocalypse hairdressers.
It's a bit tangled. So is there a technique?
What?
Is there a technique?
Yeah, I'm drying your hair. Curlers.
Oh, you'd have to be really dry for curlers, and they're also not on.
Is that on?
You really should wait till there's heat up, and you shouldn't do it on wet hair. It won't curl.
Oh, that
pulled
came
out my hair.
That came out.
Okay, that'll
Alright.
burn the carpet.
Oh, wait. Oh, well.
Okay.
Okay, right. We'll put some... Hairdressers put water on the hair, don't they?
I mean... That was really cold. I've never been to a hairdresser, so that happens before.
Well, it's never been the apocalypse before.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any bubbles?
This feels very tight.
Well, it's the apocalypse. You don't want to get dragged.
I also feel like you've missed a big chunk of my hair.
Where?
Just yeah.
That's intentional.
Okay.
Right, we're going to do the makeup bit now.
Okay. Do you want to ask me any questions about the makeup?
No. Makeup brush.
Yeah.
Makeup brush. Makeup brush.
So what's going to be your first step? What are you doing first?
Well, the foundation would be the foundation, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Apocalypse, you probably want to be, look, angry and scary, so we'll go for lighter, because then it looks like you've been shocked. Let's just do this.
Yeah. I feel like Simba. So what's this technique that you're using?
Called putting it on with your finger.
Yeah, that's a good one. Is on there.
No,
Is it streaky looking? Feels streaky looking.
it's not streaky looking. I'm put on like the war paint lines.
War paint?
It's the apocalypse.
Oh yeah, no, that's important. Oh, we got that. This feels like a strong look.
It's a strong look. No one's going to be stealing from you. Let's put on the eyeshadow.
And what's this? What's this technique that you
Called putting it on.
put down? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I'm going to make you look like an angry badger.
Okay.
This is
That's what we need in the apocalypse.
yeah, no one messes with a badger. Lipstick, because you want to be able to seduce other apocalypse people.
No, you're in.
Right, snarl.
Arrgh.
See that? See that? It's already starting to look angry. Right.
What's next? Okay.
Right.
Shall I look in the mirror?
Yes.
Okay.
Like
Well,
I
this
say,
is what I was going to do anyway.
you want to look like you're
Frightening.
frightened. You want to
I
look.
am.
Right, so let's get you dressed now. So these are the apocalypse outfit.
What's the purpose in the pyjamas?
So you're comfortable at all times.
These battered old shoes.
So you can run.
This t-shirt.
It's because I feel like it kind of looks like the makeup you've already got on.
Okay.
You want to look like you're part of a clan.
Right. And your leather jacket.
Just to look cool. You suited up for the apocalypse. Do you want to do me?
Yeah.
You don't need to do my hair. My hair's already apocalypsed up.
So I'll do your makeup for you.
Thank you. You want to look good even in the apocalypse.
Yeah, and that will make you look good. So I think you should have some moisturiser on, because you need a great base.
I need to look hard.
You will look
How am I
hard.
going to look hard with smell? It doesn't smell like I'm very hard for the apocalypse.
Okay.
I want to look face.
You're gonna look face. Eyes make you look poppin'.
I don't need to look popping in the apocalypse. I need to look like I could steal your stuff.
You could Mr. Steal Your Girl. Don't. You wouldn't burp in your own makeover.
It's the apocalypse. We burp all the time now.
So next we're gonna highlight
What are we highlighting?
those cheekbones. Yes.
No one's afraid of someone with high cheekbones. I'm just not convinced that I look scary and aggressive.
You do. Gotta have them wings.
Wings are not aggressive. Name something that's aggressive with wings on.
So this is the dress I picked out for you. Sparkly and fierce. This is the headband. And we've got you some tights.
Right.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is... I'm putting them on.
You need to roll them up.
What?
You've got them in the fanny bit. Why are they so wrinkly? Do the same with the next one. What are you doing?
I'm putting them on.
This is the most stressful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Well, keep watching.
Take your t-shirt off.
Why?
You won't get the full effect. Why have you got the hanger in it? It's backwards. And let me put your headband on. Like this.
I don't look ready for the apocalypse, I don't think.
Yeah, you do.
Well, if anyone's
If the apocalypse was a party.
Right, and now we're going to do the makeup. Can you pass me your makeup, please?
Yeah.
Again, this is for the apocalypse. I just sat on the water bottle. It's on the bed now.